What's going on, guys? Jeffers Reviews here with another unboxing. This time we have Discmania Mini Target, the Simon Lizotte edition. So, hashtag Simon. You look a bit younger in that picture. I believe this is 2018, if I'm correct. Take a look. It shows you it comes with 5 mini disc golfs. Also, 161 meters with a mini. Are you kidding? I think that's around 528 feet. Yes, I did look that up. So, yeah, look at that. 2018, January? Jeez. Honestly, it looks pretty fun. I've been wanting to have this for indoors. I know you can do it outdoors as well, but something fun to maybe play in the living room, backyard. Don't know about the office, though. So, yeah. I got this online for $50, so off of Amazon, I believe. Let me pop that top real quick. So I'm just going to do the unboxing, and then we'll do the assembly later off video, and then maybe do kind of review once I have it done. So let's take a look at what we get. So looks like pieces of plastic. Okay, as you can see, plastic pieces, and quite a bit else here. So everything else is inside. I don't think it's going to be that hard to assemble. So whoa, we have a lot of different pieces here, and very cool chain, not gonna lie. So okay, that's the basket. This is the top, as you guys can see how it actually lays. So again, you're gonna have the basket under, and then the other pieces in there. So yeah, overall, looks like it's pretty easy to assemble. And of course, our little Discmania disc and at the top. So I'm really excited to put this together, guys, and let you know how it looks afterwards. So not in the best spot to put this in my kitchen, so let me know, guys. Awesome. We even get a little piece Discmania to put on there, so very, very cool. But let me know if you guys have any questions about it. I've been wanting to get one and do a little review, see how the discs stick. It's cool. You do get these 5 minis right there, so I'm very excited. So I'll put this together and maybe do a little review video for it. So appreciate it, guys, and thank you, Simon. This is very cool. And also, it does come with the instruction manual, so it looks like pretty simple assembly. So cheers, you guys.